The Larson Electronics EPL LP70W LED FV low-profile LED light fixture provides operators with a powerful and energy-efficient alternative to traditional hazardous location luminaries. LED technology and compact design make this lamp an excellent replacement upgrade option for bulky and high-cost maintenance older fixtures. This Class 1 Divisions 1 and 2, Class 2 Division 1 and 2 explosion-proof light fixture provides 6,000 lumens of high-quality light while drawing only 70 watts. The copper-free aluminum alloy body is powder-coated for added durability and an attractive aesthetic appearance. A special heat-dissipating design in conjunction with advanced LED driver technology helps this fixture achieve an excellent 100,000-hour rated lifespan with 70% lumen retention. Lightweight and low profile make this unit an attractive alternative to larger and heavier older fixtures and requires less hardware to install. This light is multi-voltage capable and can be operated with 100 to 277 VAC 50-60 Hz without any need for a ballast or transformer. Here are the class divisions and ratings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.